Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a review on all the storybooks which my toddler has. So I'll be showing different kind, it's all short stories most of it, but I would like to show each book separately. Maybe the same series I won't be showing all the pages, I would just show one of the book and the rest you could see. Like I have shown the Pepper series, so that's too there in this. So let's get started. This is one of the books which I purchased, Bubbles is Honest. This is short stories, and it is in this it is written how the Bubbles is honest and he gives the money. He wants money for ice cream and he asks his mother, and his mother tells him, I'll give you later, and he keeps playing around, and while he plays he finds the money and he goes and gives it to his mother. So the mother says that he is so honest, and she buys for him a lollipop, ice cream. So this is one of the series which I purchased for my daughter, and it is short stories and it has got wonderful images as you have seen, and it helps a lot to improve communication skills of your child and helps to learn the words and languages, and also helps to improve your moral values. I highly recommend these books. So there are more series in it I would like to show. I just have one of the books, so if you really like the book you could purchase all the series or just purchase one and see how is it. I just have one book of this, so let me show you the other books. This is the another series, Bruno Put Your Toys Away. This is about Bruno, and in this also there are series. There are 6 books. So I have purchased only one of this series, and this is also helps you to improve your communication skills, language, helps to improve your way of imagination. It helps in a lot if you purchase short stories with lot of images which tells you about what is written in the story itself, so the child already relates to it. So I really love short stories for my toddler because she sits in one place, she gets the concentration to hear it. If it's a longer story, she doesn't sit in one place and she's not able to concentrate and hear the story, so that way they don't learn. So short stories are better for toddlers for 2 to 3 years. So I introduced this book to her, and she loves it, and she relates to each character, like Bubbles, Bruno, Pepper, all these characters. She relates to their life and relates to their way of playing or honesty, whatever it is. So I highly recommend this too. So let me show you the other series. The third one is the Pepper series. As you have seen my last video, I have shown you all the books of the Pepper, and there are a lot of moral values in it and lot of images which itself explains about the story, and it helps to improve your communication skills, and images are short and that helps a lot. So I personally loved it, and my daughter too loves it. And if you could see, there are a lot of stories of Pepper. You could purchase one only and try it if your toddler loves it, and then accordingly buy. It is not necessary to buy all the series, and I just purchased it because I just wanted to purchase it because I didn't have any other books, so I wanted to introduce some books and see, and I noticed that she loves short stories a lot, so it didn't go waste. But it's all up to you whether you want to purchase all the series all the books of the series or not. So let's show you the other book. This is the next books which I purchased of Wonder House, and my first 5-minute fairy tales. So these are all 5-minute fairy tales. I have purchased 1 2 3 4 5 books in it, and these books are wonderful. One is The Frog Prince, The Valiant Little Tailor, Rumpelstiltskin, Beauty and the Beast, The Little Mermaid. So the stories are wonderful, the pictures and images and the illustrations are really wonderful. I personally loved the book a lot. I don't know how my daughter didn't like it so much, but I'm sure she'll like it some or the other time. So I really recommend this books. It's just short stories, same like the other ones, but we can't say which our child likes which book, so you have to be careful. You should at least try with one book and then see if they like it. You could purchase all the series, or you could just keep 2-3 and introduce some other series too, depending on whatever your toddler is comfortable with. That's more important. So I personally like the series. As I said, Wonder House has made wonderful storybooks for this, but it depends from each toddler whether they should like it or not. It's all up to them. She's not able to relate to these characters. I don't know why, but I think slowly she may relate. For now she is not liking it, maybe, but still I try to read out loud to them, read out loud to her, and hopefully she sits for some time with one book at least of this series. So let me show you other series. These are the other books, storybooks, which she likes, because this is all about fairy and magic, and from some days she is liking all this magic words, magical things. So I started with Cinderella and she loved it. Although the stories are bigger, so I try not to read out everything to her. I tell it in a short way, and it helps me to make her sit in one place and concentrate on the story. So there are many series in this. If you could see, 16 classic stories are there. Each book I bought it for 25 rupees. It was quite cheap, so I purchased few of them. So although the images are wonderful, illustrations are really wonderful, for just 25 rupees it's worth it. But still, you need to tell them in short way for smaller toddlers. As they grow, maybe they may learn to sit for longer time. So I have Snow White, Hansel and Gretel, and Red Riding Hood, Tom Thumb, and Cinderella, one of the most classic stories which I have got, and she loves the most Cinderella. So let me show you the other series. The next book of storybook I have purchased is Bob and the Funny Log. This is also a type of story, but it is like rhyming words. Like Bob is off to his job when he sees odd looking log. So although this is difficult for smaller toddlers to understand, you need to explain them what exactly it is. So I don't prefer to give her this book now. I tried reading out to her, but she was all blank. So she was just relating to the images. That's the only thing they can do right now with these books. I think as she grows older, she may like these books too. So let me show you the other book. The next book which I have purchased is The Elves and the Shoemaker. This is also a wonderful storybook, and there are some characters over here: shoemaker, shoemaker's wife, shoes, and the characters and images are there over here. And while they explain it, the character's face is also shown over here. It's something different way of teaching a child and helping them to relate what is this, who is this. So it's wonderful, but I have not started to show her this, but I will be soon showing her, because as she didn't like Bob and the Funny Log, I didn't start with this. But I really recommend this. It's really wonderful way of teaching your child by showing each character's face. It helps them to relate to it. So let me show you the other book. The other book is my very first story time read out loud story. This is of Three Little Pigs of Patter Cake, and it is recommended for 18 months, but I am reading out to my toddler too, and she loves it. She loves this book a lot, and the illustrations are so well, they have written it, and the images are wonderful, and she relates to as she has seen the videos about these Three Little Pigs, and she knows about the song, so she relates to the story well, and she also relates to the characters, and it helps to improve her communication skills too. As I read out loud to her, she learns it. So these are all the books which I have purchased for my daughter. These are mostly the short story books. I have not introduced in the long story books. These are some of her short story books which I have purchased, and she loves most of it, although some I have not introduced to her, but most of it she loves it. So I highly recommend all these books. If you really like it, you could buy it, or it all depends on you. It's all up to you. So if you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.